Forex traders, it's time to make some money. So on today's video, we'll be looking at Nzdchf. That's right, Nzdchf. So I'll be doing a quickly breakdown on how we can profit from this NZD-CHF drop. NZD-USD, which is New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss francs, as you can see right here, New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss francs is heading downward. Yeah, from the thumbnail analysis, which is the strategy I teach on YouTube, NZUSD is heading to the downside, and we'll be looking on how we can profit from it. If I go back to the monthly time frame, you can see this is a very strong downtrend. If I ever bring in a trend line right now to look at where this price is going to, it's heading all the way to the downside. Or if I should bring in an arrow, you guys should understand that we are using arrows for teaching right now. Let me look for an arrow line. I think I've just passed here arrow line. I bring this arrow line and I point it to the downside. You can see NZE and CHF is heading to the downside. It is heading south. Now, if I go over now to the weekly time frame, you guys know how I trade top analysis. Very easy. Analyze from the higher time frame, then you will scale down to the lower time frame to see how you can profit from it. Now, from higher time frame, we have this trend which is about to be broken. If I should go over now to the daily time frame, you can see it a bit clearly. You can see that NZD-USD dropped from this point, came all the way to the support level, then bounced back to the resistance, then it came back to the support, and right now it is just coming a little bit down. It is heading all the way back to this level of support, which is around somewhere here. If I should go over and bring in my horizontal line, you can see I like to use green for my target, right? So this is, let me say, somewhere here is where I'm targeting. So from the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, you can see a little bit clear. Right now the market is closed. That is why you are seeing that this spread is wide. Normally it's not wide like this. So the market is closed right now and the spread is a little bit wide. But nevertheless, once this market open on Monday, we'll be targeting this place from this point here to the downside. If you're using a 0.1 log side like me, which I'll be using, we'll be looking at making over 30 or $40, which is definitely possible. I will take this trade from a Monday. I'll take this trade and I will record everything. I will document everything on my channel so you guys can see top down analysis. It works. Top down analysis, it works. And that reminds me, if you know you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do your best to ensure you subscribe, because you're going to be getting a lot of information. If you do, you'll be getting a lot of direction on how to trade. Basically, remember my channel, I teach basic information on how to trade forex the basic way. Now we'll be looking at this place, 40 US dollars, guys. $40, that is our target. We'll be risking 20 $21 to make $40. That is about 1:2 risk to reward. So that is it for NZDCHF. On the next video, we'll tune in on gold XUUSD. On XUUSD, we're making about $107, as you can see right here. Sorry, $102. I'll be teaching you guys on the next video how I was able to see this move and how I was able to cut it in a very good entry. So do well to like this video and subscribe. Making $100 a day in a week, I mean, it's not easy. If you can see right here, I'm making about $102. I have an account of $400 from Xness, and also I have other trades going on there. I have many other trades. So do your best to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys to the next video. Take it easy, guys. Peace.